Hey everyone, with Diwali around the corner, you must be hearing a lot about green crackers and going green this Diwali. So what are these green crackers exactly and why you should be using them and what are the benefits of using the green crackers is what we are going to look at in today's video. And also I would recommend that do not miss even a single minute. Do not skip the video because I'm going to tell you how easily you can distinguish between the conventional crackers and the green crackers. So stay tuned and keep watching. Diwali is a festival of lights. We enjoy it with our friends and families. We decorate our houses. We have elaborate dishes. We light candles, diyas, lanterns. But apart from all this, there is a certain bunch of people who enjoy bursting crackers. Yes, there has been a lot of speculations about this. Many people say that you shouldn't be bursting crackers owing to the reasons cited as pollution. Yes, that is true to a drastic extent, but there is this certain mass, a certain portion of the population who cannot restrain themselves and they feel more energetic and more, zeal in this kind of a festival through bursting crackers. And that is where the government has stepped in and given a green signal to green crackers. So irrespective of the fact that you cannot restrain yourself from bursting crackers, there's something called as green crackers which you can opt for if you wish to have a safe and eco-friendly Diwali. Air pollution is one of the most serious environmental problems confronting our civilization today. And each year after Diwali, you will see a drastic increase in air pollution, and that is because of the rise in the number of or the amount of firecrackers that are being used. So therefore, to minimize air pollution, this year we are aiming at using green crackers, which are said to be environmental friendly. So these green crackers have been developed by the Indian Council of Scientific and Industrial Research, and it basically includes flower pots, pencils and sparkles. And there is no doubt that these green crackers are definitely environmental friendly and have been developed to reduce air pollution that causes health hazards. So these green crackers are by far better than the previous sound emitting crackers and other fireworks. So let's see how these green crackers help in combating air pollution and how exactly they work in becoming eco-friendly firecrackers. So the basic idea behind green crackers is that they have a small shell size that are compared to a traditional crackers, and they are produced using less harmful raw materials and have additives which reduce emissions by suppressing dust. Green crackers do not contain banned chemicals such as lithium, arsenic and lead. So they are basically called safe water releaser, safe thermite cracker and safe minimal aluminium crackers. So what makes green crackers different from the traditional or the conventional firecrackers? That is because green crackers release water vapor and don't allow the dust particles to rise. That is how it functions in limiting the amount of air pollution caused due to bursting crackers. So these green crackers that the scientists have developed, it does not contain barium nitrate, which is one of the key ingredients of traditional firecrackers which result in that huge amount of air pollution. Therefore, in short, we can say that going by statistics, green crackers will reduce at least 30% emissions and therefore result in minimal amount of air pollution. Now coming to how you can avail these green crackers, how you can find them and how will you be able to differentiate between green crackers and the traditional fireworks. So the cost of these crackers will be less or equal to the market value, and also when you go purchasing crackers, you will see a green logo with a QR on these green crackers. So this QR is kind of a quick response coding system that will enable you to differentiate the green crackers from the regular ones, and the government has used this QR to help you differentiate and identify green crackers and go ahead and purchase them. So only those green crackers will be sold that consist of a unique logo on the box and also have a QR code with production and emission details. So to wrap up this video, I will encourage and insist that if you all are going ahead and bursting crackers, please choose green crackers. as these are less harmful and less dangerous, and they will be safe and eco-friendly to be used compared to the conventional ones. It's always wise to skip crackers and celebrate this festival of lights with your family and friends in the form of decorating a house, exchanging gifts, and lighting diyas. But if you're one of those who cannot, restrain yourself from bursting crackers, please go ahead and buy green crackers, which are much safer. To end this video, I shall extend my warmest wishes and heartfelt greetings to all of you all on this occasion of Diwali. Have a safe and exciting Diwali. Happy Diwali to all of you all.